Yeah, the last year was a bit tricky for us because we came in very last minute. But this year we really kind of started literally before the last festival had ended, thinking about how we would put it together. It was the critical issue was money, and we got really great partners in Jio and Star Networks. I think that made all the difference, and we actually enlisted a great board of trustees who are working professionals who really know the filmmaking world, the culture of festivals around the world, and are big stakeholders in cinema themselves, like Siddharth Roy Kapoor and Karan Johar, Ritesh Deshmukh. So we really got a board together that counted and gave us their time and support. So I think the big change is having a very committed bunch of people wanting this to succeed. That's the only, I'm sure every year they really wanted it to succeed, but they never managed to get either the money or the industry support, and this year we managed to get both. I think the city has given us so much. Mumbai is really the capital of cinema in this country, and it's our tribute to the city that we have a festival here. We want to celebrate the city just as much as we want to celebrate cinema, and we feel the city deserves a really great festival where people can come together, watch films of different kinds, because it's such a city that's so driven by a passion for cinema. So I just hope that a lot of people come, because this year we've really worked hard to get a very diverse selection of films. We've really gone all out to invite people who may not have otherwise wanted to go to a film festival, who may feel it's not for me, pata nahi bahut arty hoga, or whatever the reservations about festivals often are. We've really made an effort to open our doors and try and get as many people interested in Mami as possible. Well, I think Mami has always been known for a great programming list, and this year we have that as well. It's just that we've added a few new sections which I think will appeal to a broader audience. There's the half ticket, which I think was much needed. We really need to get young people into cinemas to watch a different kind of cinema than you do in the multiplex, to start talking about independent films, to question conventional ways of looking at film. We have After Dark, which is a fun section. It'll really have the people who love horror and thrillers and science fiction and fantasy interested. So we are hoping to get that audience in. Experimental film is a two-day introduction to new modes in image making, to try and look at what the history of experimental film has been, and sort of draw people into that conversation about expanded film form. And you have the Movie Mela, which I think is for the movie buff who has always loved films, who particularly knows a lot about popular cinema, who is interested in how they're made, the writing of popular cinema, the stars, what goes into making their favorite films. So I think by broadening it through all these sections, we hope that a lot more people will come in than the previous years. Yeah, it was really humbling. I think it's always been a festival that people have in the filmmaking world have known about, but when we first took the reins, Anu, myself, and this new board, we really didn't know what to expect, and we kind of decided that we would make a film, put it out there, and ask people to kind of send in entries. And really, because I think largely due to PVR's support in cinemas, the number of people who turned their films in was overwhelming. And we're really so grateful, because it makes you feel that the filmmakers take you seriously, which is the main thing. You want to be relevant to the filmmaker just as much as you want to be relevant to a film goer. So it's really humbling and very, very gives us a lot of assurance. I can only say hoping. We are hoping to get all our previous fans and previous dedicated Mami goers. I'm expecting them to be there for sure. But this year we are hoping that the knowledge about the festival happening is out there a lot more. We hope that a lot of people just haven't connected with the festival because they haven't heard about it, and we hope to amplify the message of Geomami, that it's out there. It's from the 29th of October to the 5th of November, and there are 180 plus great films for which pretty much there's something in there for everyone. So fingers crossed, we are hoping that there'll be great numbers. It's so true. I feel constituency that we just completely ignore, and barring Disney and Pixar films that come in from time to time, there's absolutely nothing for children in cinemas, or on television if you ask me. So it's something that I feel I'm very passionate about, and I really hope that because we've tied up with schools, we'll definitely get an audience of children and young people, and it's the only way that people introduced to new cultural modes. You have to start young. You have to give children exposure to different kinds of cinema, because if they're only watching what's in the multiplex, that's the only thing they'll know, and that will be their film culture for life. And that's true for most people. That's it. So we are lucky, of course, now there's the internet and people educate themselves, but what choice do people have? Because what comes in a cinema, they don't decide. So this is really our investment in the future. I believe Half Ticket can change the landscape of cinema for years to come. I'm really, really excited about the films that they've got. In fact, the films they've got, I think every adult should queue up to watch, because they've got some of the best animation films made in the last year. Films that have won at Annecy, films that have been awarded at IDFA. So it's a great selection of films, and it'll be interesting because there's the engagement with children after the screening, which will really enhance that experience, because that's the advantage of having films seen in a theater, because it's a collective experience. As a as a community, you watch something, and then to actually share that experience, to listen to other points of view, I think will be very, very useful and kind of beneficial to young people. Some of the films in Half Ticket are on my bucket list. I don't remember the names. I've just read them, but they sound amazing. I want to watch Deepan. I want to watch Hu Xiaoshen's film. I don't remember the name. I'm hoping we get Anomalisa by Charlie Kaufman. That'll be exciting. And there's a couple of documentaries. Again, I'm not great with names, but yeah, but all the films in the experimental section, I'm hoping to be there for both days, because that's the section I'm most excited about. But even if I don't get to watch everything, definitely want to watch Blue, and I want to watch Amit Datta's film, and I want to be there for Camp's presentation. Please do join us between 29th October and 5th November at any of the screens that Geomami is at this year. It's going to be very exciting. There are lots and lots of films, and there's bound to be something that excites you. So do come out and support us. Thank you.